Hi everyone, it's Artist King again. Welcome back to my channel and thank you in advance for watching this video. Today I am doing another abstract piece, but I'm trying something out with some masking tape. I wanted to do some shapes instead today. So I'm gonna try something with this masking tape and see how it works out. So see there, I'm trying to make the pattern to go with the whole thing, and now I'm painting in the shapes, which, you know, as I always try to encourage people, this is something very easy and very simple. You don't have to have any you know, I don't want to say talent, but you know, I guess I could say anybody could do this. It's not that hard to do. So I'm choosing the colors. And now that I'm doing this voiceover, I thought maybe I should have used green and you know, something, but you know, that's okay. It still turned out pretty good at the end though. So that's, you see where I'm filling in all the colors, trying to get those areas where the masking tape is not, trying to get those filled in, and you know, on an even kind of level so it doesn't look all crappy. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing there, and trying to make sure I don't paint under the masking tape so that the lines are not straight. That's one thing so what I would suggest after you put the first coat of paint, because if you guys notice, I put some yellow and white or something at the beginning, make sure you let that dry really well before you put the masking tape on. Otherwise, you may have some problems with the tape not sticking to the paint because it's wet. So there I took some black. I was trying to get like a 3D kind of look, kind of effect, but I thought I had the right brush. In fact, I know I have the right brush. I just have to work some more on that technique, because I think, as you'll see when it's almost done, I didn't have the technique quite right. So I'm going to continue working on that. And you guys know I do not profess to be all perfect with this. I am still learning, still making tons of mistakes as I go along, and learning from those mistakes. So you see there, you take off the tape and you see the lines really clear. So under that, you still have a little bit of yellow, you know, or whatever color you would have decided to put. So now I'm gonna just mark off the shapes with different colored markers. So that's something, you know, maybe if you had the refillable markers that actually have the acrylic paint, maybe that would probably have done well. So anyway, the video is almost done. So at this point in time, again, thank you guys. I always am so grateful to you guys who watch my videos. So remember, Tuesdays and Saturdays is when you'll see new videos. So at this point in time, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. You'll see the end pretty soon. Okay, there is the end. So thank you for watching. See you next time.